why long-form video still wins. TikTok and YouTube Shorts are booming, but long videos still make more money per viewer. Hello. If you think shorts are everything, you're not wrong, but there's bigger opportunity hiding behind them. A 2025 study found that creators post more shorts, but long-form videos still earn more per view. Why? Ads. Longer videos deliver multiple ad shots. They build trust. They let you tell stories. If you want impact and income, longer videos are your hidden advantage. So many creators focus only on 15 to 30-second clips and then wonder why their bank account hasn't budged. More views doesn't always mean more pay. Long form does. YouTube is rewarding genuine long form with better watch time and monetization. It's less competition now than years ago. Your short clips can lead people to your channel. From there, long video content teaches, engages, and converts. It's the high conversion funnel creators overlook. Comment deep if you want ideas to turn your shorts into earnings without feeling camera shy or overwhelmed. Availability of viewers is unlimited. Make the effort to retain them. It's your clarity, content structure, and consistency that matters more than length. Comment info and I'll send you the details.